Hello everyone, welcome to Tuesday, August 11th, 2020. Here's your day weather podcast for this Tuesday. And again, folks, I'm struggling to find anything to talk about as we're just in the very slow part of the late summer season where usually not a lot happens. And that's really going to be the case. Very quiet weather coming on up, not much happening. Isolated showers and thunderstorms are going to develop at times in the coming days, but we really expect them to be spotty. Most of these will be along and east of the divide over the higher terrain. They don't have a lot of water to work with, so there's still no drought relief of any consequence coming to anybody for a while, at least through this week, probably into the upcoming weekend. Honestly, folks, we probably have to go to the end of this month before we can really start talking about any decent rain chances other than a random shower or thunderstorm. So not good news there. So fire dangers are going to remain very high. This is where we are today with the jet stream pattern generally flowing west to east across the country. This is going to keep temperatures warm for the most part across the USA with a large area of high pressure over the southern United States and really no good flow of moisture available to come up out of Central America or Mexico. By the weekend, a hot dome of high pressures over the Great Basin. So this is going to put us back into a very hot regime west of the Continental Divide. Really hot temperatures will be found here. Now by the weekend, notice the winds aloft are coming in from the northwest, so that will initiate some late day showers and thunderstorms by the end of the week and the weekend along and east of the divide. West of the divide, you're still going to struggle to get any good rain. 10 days out, high pressure remains here over the Great Basin. Now this is by next Thursday, August 20th. One thing I want to show you is this. See this right here? Well, the long-range model is predicting maybe some type of tropical storm or hurricane activity maybe moving into western Mexico by the 20th of August. If that is the case, then available moisture from this could come in, but we're talking past 10 days from now, probably talking about 2 weeks. That's why we're saying any really good rain chances of at least any consequence probably coming at the end of the month. That's what the 10-day, this is the 10-day precipitation forecast looks for the lower 48 states. You can see we've got some green and blues here. This is basically your widely scattered shower or thunderstorm pattern, but those are very measly amounts of rain, not enough to break any drought or very dry conditions into the western United States. The areas that have the best chance of rain will be the northern plain states, the southeast, the Corn Belt, and the Great Lakes, while the western United States remains dry. Now here is that hint of that tropical moisture 10 days out, maybe getting into Mexico. Keep your fingers crossed we can get some of that to come our way, but we've got to be patient and wait before it gets here. Taking a quick look at your La Nina update, pretty impressive sea surface temperature drop along the equatorial areas of the Pacific. Look at that long stretch, and what really is important here is how far west this area of cold now extends. A lot of times you'll see these cold waters like this, colder than average temperatures, go like this during the course of the summer season. But see how far westward they're stretching now? So as we go into late summer and early fall, La Nina continues to look like it's going to be there, which we've said time and time again is a dry signature for the western United States. So it's no shock, no surprise that we're going into a dry pattern this spring and summer. Thanks for watching and listening. We'll talk to you on Wednesday.